Powerhouse, presented by Alliant Energy.
Alliant Energy, we're on for you.
Home automation is something we're hearing a lot about these days, but most of us think it's something we can't take advantage of unless we're either building a new home or rewiring our old one. Hi, Dave.
Hi, Pete.
Dave Bunce has joined us. He's the owner of the Audio Room. And Dave, we're here to learn about this product that will allow us to get into the home automation trend without either building that new home or remodeling our old one. Tell us about the system.
Well, this is a whole house lighting control system. It is retrofittable into most homes that have been built in the past 30, 40 years. It does not require the rewiring of your house. There might be a couple of special situations, but other than that, it's just replace what existing devices you already have.
Dave, we're here in a beautiful home that I know has been fitted with this system, and you have a mock-up here. Tell us how it works.
Okay, this system is made up of individual components. The key component to this is a unit called a repeater. The system communicates with all of its devices using digital radio frequency, so this is the main brain of everything. The other components consist of switches or dimmers that replace existing devices already in your own home. The other devices that make magic happen are the master controls, and these can be either assigned to control individual rooms or create lighting scenes, which are groups of lighting situations that you tell it the way you want it to be.
Now, Dave, a lot of our viewers might be looking in and say, hey, I've got a switch or a dimmer. What makes this so special?
Well, the idea that each device communicates with other devices in the system, and they remember settings so that if we have a lighting scene, for example, pathway lighting, what it's going to do, for example, is we've illuminated a bedroom, the kitchen, and the foyer and the stairway going up to it. So you can create just virtually an infinite number of combinations. Where this also can come in is if you're in bed at night and you hear a noise outside, you can hit the all-on button and everything, including all of the perimeter lights in the house, will come on.
Right from your bedside.
One button press.
It's a great system. You mentioned the convenience, control, security, safety. Maybe I'm coming home, house is dark, I've got a lot of groceries, and I can light my way into the kitchen.
You can even interface this with the garage door opener. So when you hit the clicker, not only does the garage door come up, the garage lights come on, the hallway lights come on, and the kitchen comes on.
On Powerhouse, we're always interested in saving energy. Is a home automated system allow for energy savings?
Oh, absolutely. Typically what will happen is that any place that you put dimmers especially, you're going to run those lights at, let's just say, a maximum of 80%. So not only are you going to save 20% energy usage, but you're also going to extend the life of each individual lamp by many, many times.
And I look around this beautiful home, a lot of recessed lights that are up high, difficult to get to, so I wouldn't have to change those out as often.
Less work.
That's terrific. The dimmers and the switchers, is it something that I can put in myself?
Yeah, it takes basic knowledge of electrical wiring. The type of wiring that this uses is absolutely no different than the wiring you use for the switch or the dimmer itself. It's really very just basic electrical wiring.
So if I have an older home, can this be a retrofit system to go into that?
Any home that has grounded wiring will work just fine.
Okay. A big question I'm sure they're waiting to hear is, what's the cost for a system like this, Dave?
Well, that's always the question. A system like this, for example, in a 2,000 square foot home, will run in the $4,000 to $5,000 range if you want to equip it all at one time. However, the beauty of this system is that you can do one room at a time. You can expand it one step at a time if you choose. So you can spread the cost out over a longer period of time.
You don't have to bite off that $4,000 or $5,000 right off the bat. You can do it piecemeal by room.
Exactly.
Well, that's terrific, Dave. We're talking about the control, convenience, security, energy savings, all with this home automated system. Sounds like a winner.
Let's go do one.
Dave Bunce, owner of the Audio Room.
Thank you, Pete.